What's up guys, Vic Vengeance here. Welcome back to the 30s channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's vlog, we're going to be upgrading my headlights finally, and we're also going to be upgrading the actual light bulbs. So for that, I'm going to be using these LASFIT LED light bulbs, and parking lights we'll be upgrading by LASFIT. We're going to do a before and after of how the headlights will look, and it should be a pretty easy install. The only thing that might be a bit of a, well, not a hassle, but something I have to do is I have to tap into the wires and connect these light bulbs so that they work. So let's go ahead and get started. This is how my current lights look. Fucking trash, especially that one's super hazy. And then this one, I don't think it works all that great. Pretty bad, super bad actually. Water was getting into that. Super hazy. It's bad. So let me show you guys what they look like while they're on. So that's what it looks like with the lights on. Clearly that one didn't turn on, and that one did. And you can see the parking lights are not on either. So let's go ahead and do the turn signals. Terrible. See it better, but still like whatever. Forwards are on, in case you can't tell. On right there. On right there. There you have it, guys. That's the before. And then I'll show you guys the after. Things first, you gotta take this one off right here. Then you gotta take this one off too. And then there's another one in here. You see it? I don't know if you can see it, but there's one more right there. Super dark, but it's one more in there. So once you take all three of them off, then the whole headlight comes out. Alright guys, so then once you take off all three bolts, the third bolt actually comes from this hole right here. So you have to get it from the front of the headlight. Then once you take off all the bolts, you just disconnect it from the back, the main harness, and the whole thing comes off. Pretty simple. Look how bad that is. Alright, so first things first, we gotta take off this cover. Has two Phillips heads, so let's go ahead and take it off. Simple. And then we're going to take off the ballast. The ballast has 3 bolts. Let's take those off. The ballast you will need because it's going to go onto the other light. Although it's not going to be connected, it'll serve as a cover. Then you disconnect the power source by clicking on this clip right here. In the front. That. And you have another one on the inside. Alright guys, so once you unscrew the ballast, it comes off. Fairly simple. So from the old light, this is the only thing I need because I need to cover this hole to prevent water from getting in there. So aside from that, I'm not going to need anything else from the old headlight for putting it into the new one. So let's get started on the new one. The new headlight, I'm not going to show you what it looks like until I put it on. So just like the other one, we have to take off this cover. This one right here is what connects to the ballast connector. So we're not going to be connecting it to the ballast. We're going to be bypassing that, and we're just going to be putting the ballast in its place just to cover that hole. And then on the power source of that ballast, we're going to tap into the positive and the negative to power up the light bulb. So from here, these are the connections I put on to the old plug. It looks nicer, looks more neat. These ones from the light bulb will plug into those. Pretty simple. There you have it, guys. They're nice and connected, neat, no tape. I feel like that works better. So then from here, I'll be running the wire through the inside and then bringing it out through that hole. From this connection right here, we'll be connecting the actual LED bulb. Pretty badass. So before I can connect it, I have to take off that black base, place it into the socket, and then place the LED in there, lock and tight, and then connect it, and that should be good to go. I guess that's it. Let me tuck the wires in here, cap back on. We're gonna upgrade the LED. So this one should just pop out like that. This one is the LASFIT one. I don't know if they're brighter or not, or I don't know if the ones I had now was brighter, but we're gonna put them anyway. Like that. Put it back in its place. Oops. So I think they should be ready to test. So let's do the first test run. That's the one we were just working on. And let's see if they work. Simple. Has the halos, the dual halos. Let's see right here. The black housing, halos act as switchbacks. Simple, clean. Shout out to 56 Deuce, Alex, for always helping me out. So let's finish this install. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Probably smash my other fingers too. And I'll show you guys how it looks, and maybe we'll take some shots at night too, see how they actually look at night and how bright the LASFIT lights are. Jeez, look at that. So this is the final product, the end product. Pretty bright. Look at that. Not bad at all. Same thing over here. Very nice. That is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Ooh, I look creepy. It was an easy install, kinda, aside from me cutting into my fingers. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the next one. Later, guys.